What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Another video here, and in this video I'm just going to give you a basic idea about Google Ads threshold account, that how big is Google Ads free threshold account is work and how it's doing. So as you can see here, this is my free Google Ads threshold account, which is contains $25,000 of the threshold here, and actually I'll show you later on this video that about this billing section of this account, and this account is doing pretty fantastic. So as you can see here, I have 783,000 of the impression along with 127,000 of the clicks, which is absolutely huge, and average CPC is 0.09, which is pretty cheap in my opinion, because 127,000 of the clicks, and in compared to these products I made a really huge amount of money. So I'll share it later in this video. But here you can see the CPC is 0.09 and the click rate is almost 0.12%, which is really fantastic. So this campaign is overall spent it like more than $11,000 actually, and this account is doing pretty awesome. So I'll share with you each and everything that how it's doing, and I'll show you also this account campaign and how it's doing later on this video. But now, for now, let me introduce you that how I'm getting approved this casino ads, NFT ads, and also health related products approved to Google Ads account with this magical clocker. So let's see this. So here you can see I am landed to this one page, which is contains the name of this clocker is the Elite Ads clocker, which is really doing pretty fantastic. And if you go through this page, I have a link for you in the description so you can check it out. And also this clocker is doing pretty awesome, and they have a lot of features actually. I have another case study about this clocker, is actually how much it's doing. So if you visit this video, you can actually learn about this clocker, that how this clocker is doing awesome, you know. So you can definitely visit this video. So by the way, this clocker is really affordable, and also they have a lot of features. As you can see here, we have a traffic clocking, PPC and PPV, also location filtering, offer restriction, and also fraud protection. And they have a lot of feature actually. You can see we have a geo targeting, ads, network, device filtering, and a lot of other section that you can actually cover this with this clocker. And the most amazing thing is that you can integrate this clocker with your WordPress or Shopify. This clocker has a really nice WordPress plugin, so you can use this for your WordPress. And also if you want to integrate with this JS code or PHP code, then you can obviously do with this Shopify store is actually, and this is really pretty fantastic. So let me get back to you the Google Ads account. So as you can see here, this is the account itself, which is really amazing, and I'm really satisfied with this campaign. This campaign is doing pretty awesome in different kind of portion, and also it's doing pretty nice. So I can say this account is really doing awesome, really. So now I want to show you that about the campaign here is actually the how this campaign is working. So if I click here in the campaign, it will go through the campaign of this Google Ads account is actually, and as you can see here, is everything is pretty much is the same. We got more than 700, that means 800,000 of the impression, and like 127,000 of the clicks. So if I look it here, you'll understand this actually doing pretty awesome. And also this campaign is running a health related product, so I personally get around like 23,000 of the revenue with this Google Ads account alone. And this account is really pretty fantastic. I think you already know about this, and this account is really awesome in my opinion. So now I want to show you the billing section, that how this billing section is works. So if I click here, it will brings me to the billing dashboard here is actually, and you can see here you can see here we have a billing dashboard, and this is really awesome. And then we literally to say this type of Google Ads account doesn't have any typical billing dashboard, something like you have a what credit card you are using and which transaction they are just charging you money, and also your company name. It doesn't have any information, something like you can have this mini page here, and you have a little information with this something. Since this account already give us $25,000 to spend out, so this account is view like this. So as you can see here, it's really doing awesome in every portion. So that's all for this today video, and I'll share it to another video later on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and also like this video. I'll share in the next